Hey everyone, it's me and
Caleb.
And we're here to do
And who else is here?
Bear!
Our new dog.
Bear! Come here, Bear! Bear!
Show your beautiful
Bear!
face.
Oh, there. No, there he is. There he is. Say hi.
Say hi, my name's Bear. Come here.
Say hi, Bear.
Say I'm a rescue, they saved me.
He's a good dog. He's just gonna chill here with us while we do this. He's probably going to be lifting his head a lot because he'll be smelling some food, but it's okay. Okay, so this is our Degustabox for the July month. We missed last month's because we were on vacation.
Yeah. Oh, there's a firework in here.
What do we got? We got our July box. So July Degustabox is going to be all about grilling, it looks like. So here's our little paper right here. And we have some really awesome coupons. All right.
Sweet. You want to go first?
All right, so the first thing in here is from Loker, and looks like we got two, which we have tried this brand before. This is the #1 in Italy. And this looks like it's cocoa and milk crispy cocoa wafers with delicate milk cream filling. So it looks like this, and it looks like it retails for $2.40. No, that's not it. $2.58, so $1.29 each. So we didn't get the fruity, fresh citrus pleasure. We got the strong and tender cocoa wafers and milk cream. Ready to try it?
Yeah, let's do it. Mmm.
So these taste like a typical wafer. Like those strawberry and vanilla and chocolate ones you get taste like the chocolate one. It's good.
Very good.
On to the next.
Cheese Doodles Baked Puff Extra Cheesy. Made with real cheese.
50 cents per bag. They're from Wise Snacks. Whoa!
There's 3 of them in here.
Holy tamale, there's a lot.
4!
There's another one. These look like cheesy puffed Cheetos. Oh, Bear wants some too. Mmm. These taste just like the cheesy puffed Cheetos.
Very good.
Exactly like it, except with a little bit more of a real cheese flavor.
Oh yeah.
Those are good. I'll be taking those to work tomorrow. Well, 1 bag. I'll definitely be taking to work. All right, on to the next. What is on my hand?
Skin.
What's this? We just bought mayonnaise.
Oh yay, look at that.
We got some Sir Kensington's free-range eggs chipotle mayonnaise. Here's what it looks like. This retails for $4.99. Okay. So it has free-range eggs, 100% sunflower oil, and chipotle peppers. Chipotle peppers. I'm kind of excited to try this. Can you open that, please? I just got my nails done.
Just got her nails done.
I don't need to break them again. I did. I broke 2 of them. Both my index fingers broke yesterday at work. That's fantastic. Ooh, that smells. It smells like deviled eggs. Oh my god, it's spicy. That's so hot.
It's not.
Yes, it is. That is so freaking spicy. It's good though. It does taste like mayonnaise, but it's a hot, spicy mayonnaise.
She's something else.
Ooh, that was nice though.
We have an original turkey snack stick from Chomps.
Well, where's that at? Oh, $1.99.
Ooh.
Oh, you can also use the code DEGUSTA15 for 15% off and free shipping at chomps.com. Just to let you guys know, it's a good coupon for you. 15% off. Well,
It's turkey.
kind of reminds me of beef jerky. Just not beef.
Yeah, it's
You'll
turkey.
probably eat that.
Lean protein.
He likes stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
a lot. So that'll be gone probably either by the end of the night or tomorrow. Okay, looks like we have some chocolate caramel creams. Looks like some Laffy Taffies. Looks like this. Bear is truly enjoying them right now. And do you want to open those? It's $2.48. Oh, a fun summer chocolate treat that doesn't melt with the heat. I'm just going to take a little bit of it because if I have too much chocolate, it's just too much chocolate. But I'm truly excited to see. It smells like chocolate.
Wow.
Ooh. Ooh. Mmm.
Mmm.
The cream is good. The chocolate tastes like a Tootsie Roll. Like dead on like a Tootsie Roll. And the cream adds a little bit of creamy texture, flavor. I like it. That's good. And there's an entire bag, you guys. Like, this bag is an entire bag. Alright, what else is in there? Ooh, we got some wrapped up stuff.
What is it, Bear?
I think I know what it is. This is the product of the month.
Uncle
Dougie's.
I thought it was just something else.
Okay.
Sweet and sappy small batch barbecue sauce. And it's in a glass bottle. That means it's good.
So it has a tiny bit of sweet, a touch of smoky, and a little snappy zing. You'll want to put sweet and snappy's thick, rich, stick-to-your-ribs sauce on everything. It's $5.99.
Wow.
That's a big... You know, you could probably put that on your wings.
We were at Walmart today and we're like, should we get wing sauce? And we're like, nah, we're going to get wing sauce. What are the chances of Degusta having it in the box? It's in the box, guys. Get the subscription and save money every month.
Seriously, this happened to us last month, or the month before last too, with our taco shells.
It's crazy.
Ooh. That is good. Wait, that'd be good on tacos.
Oh, yeah. Look, in the Heat-O-Meter, it's all the way down to a 1, just for you.
Yeah, because it wasn't spicy at all.
It's actually a half.
Yeah, it wasn't spicy at all. But this would be so good as... I'm going to... Actually, don't use that for your wing sauce, because you bought wing sauce. Let's use this for our tacos. The barbecue sauce for our tacos.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to open the other thing that was wrapped up. So this thing is Lee Kum Kee Hong Kong plum sauce. Great for dipping, bastes, and glazes. Okay, so that's what this one looks like. This retails for $3.98. It's made from... He has to smell everything. It's made from quality Chinese plums, ginger, and chili. It's perfect for stir frying and dipping. Okay. We could use stuff... How do you open this? It's like child-proofed.
Very carefully.
Yeah, help me.
Hi-ya!
That did nothing. Can you open that, please? All the way. Got it. All right, you ready to taste this?
Come on, muscles!
Ow, that hurt.
Come on, muscles! Come on,
I got it. Ooh, ooh. That is strong.
What is it?
What is it? It's a dipping sauce.
A what? A sauce.
That's good though. Try it.
You're good.
No, don't put your mouth to it.
Touched a dog.
Oh my god. And now he has a dog. It's like for dipping, you have to be in the more Chinese foods. This tastes like more than half of the dipping sauces that you would get at like a Chinese restaurant. It has like that ginger flavor.
Very strong ginger.
He doesn't like that. I love ginger. This is really good. So
yeah,
I like it.
I'm into Bernard's.
Okay, we got one more thing in here. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, is it me?
Yes.
It is. It flew right out of my hand. Oh. Zen Calf Blend. Delicious.
It's Aya Matcha. Oh my god, this retails for so much money. Guess how much this is?
$27.99.
$17.80.
Oh.
What is it? Okay, it's a sweet, delicate mixture of culinary grade matcha and pure cane sugar packed into single serving packets. Suited for matcha lattes and smoothies, it provides all of the same nutritional benefits of matcha, even for those with the sweet tooth.
Anywhere, anytime.
So like matcha tea,
Yeah.
matcha lattes. Hello, put one of these in with your you can make this with tea or your coffee. Add a little bit of latte in there. I'm actually excited for this.
Yeah.
Okay, and you get one package. How many do you get?
12.
12.
Almost 2 weeks.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, perfect. Think about it. All the items we got, it makes a perfect barbecue day.
Yeah.
Which we'll be moving out next month, and we are gonna have our own barbecues. So this will come in handy.
Yeah.
So let's see. What's your favorite out of everything?
Oh, I like the mayonnaise.
You like the mayonnaise the most because it was the spiciest?
Well, I like that and the chips.
I like this.
How about you? The barbecue sauce?
I liked the product of the month because it was delicious. Oh, so this was mine. The mayonnaise was his, and Bear, I think he likes.
He likes the turkey.
And I think he also liked this.
I think he
the
likes
plum
the
sauce.
turkey.
Yeah, so if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to Degustabox, I'll leave the link down below for you guys. Go ahead and click down below if you guys want to join. And don't forget, you guys do get to save 15% off with the code Degusta15 on chomps.com for the turkey sticks. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you later.
Have a good one, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. It was nice meeting you.
Oh my God, he hates us.